In this video, you will learn how to calculate percentage decrease in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have three column data. First column shows the starting price, second column shows the percentage decrease, and third column shows the end price. For example, starting price was 180 rupees and there was a 50% decrease in this value. Now, what will be the end price? End price is given here. So in this video, you will learn how to calculate percentage decrease in Microsoft Excel. So let's start this video without further delay. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. First column shows the starting price and second column shows the percent decrease in values. So let's learn how to calculate this end price. Firstly, select the cell where you are interested to display the result. I will select this one, click here. After selecting desired cell, put equal sign. After that, select this cell which is the starting price minus parenthesis. Again, select this starting price, multiply by this percentage, select this one. After selecting this percentage, close the parenthesis. Now this is our formula, equal sign, starting price minus parenthesis, starting price multiplied by percent decrease, and close this parenthesis. After doing that, press enter key. Now we have successfully calculated the percent decrease in values. You don't need to apply this formula for individual rows. Simply select the cell where you have already applied the formula, select this one. After that, place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to apply this formula on remaining rows. So now you can see here we have successfully calculated the percentage decrease in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.